This here is my setup review for May 19th. First up, BXX was a failure. No move above any level that I was watching, nor did it hold support, gap straight through and broke down. Next up here, the trades that did trigger. Boeing gave a nice wide range opening 5-minute bar, triggered in just over the highs, flagged into the first hour and a half, and gave an implication that it was a failed breakout here, which did trail out for a decent sized gain. Next up, Csco Systems gapped up, gave 3 strong red bars on the open. Wanted to see that kind of movement burn off before I did take any kind of positions. Over here, where we did bottom around 10:45, I believe it was, somewhere around there. Gave a good green over green break. Significant little volume spike here, and confirmed a move above the moving average that I was keeping an eye on. Triggered in and trailed it up to, came up to the highs of the range from the previous day, not holding over not holding for a swing position, excuse me. Next up here is DRE, Duke Realty, gapped up on the open, sold off, gave an inside green candle here, implying that there was no momentum to come down anymore. So set up a trigger there just above the green candle, trailed the stop loss up. So I got to break even, tested the highs of the opening range, and I kind of expected it to go a bit higher. And once it failed on the second test over here was when I went ahead and got out of the position. Next up here, ENB, Enbridge, gave a gap and go trade here, opened up, entered 5 cents above the high, stop loss just below the open, and trailed it up all the way until it failed to reach 39.5, and from that point on, no more. I did not watch this chart anymore. Next up was GXP, another one that gapped up, failed to hold any kind of follow through on the sell-off there, gave a green over green break of a consolidation area at support. Took a nice trade there, trailed up to almost where my target was. Got out when it appeared there was going to be, at the very least, a range set up here. Next up, NWO, Newell Brands, Newell Rubbermaid, whatever. Gave a nice setup here as basically a piped bottom type of pattern. It's usually at the bottom end of a trend, but this one happened at a important level that I was watching. So I took the green over green break, went ahead and got in, went all the way up to my measured move from the inverted head and shoulders of the previous day, and left a little bit on the table, but overall a good trade. Next up here, XLB, the Spider Materials ETF, gave a green green breakout above the level I was watching, a green over green setup and trigger. Stop loss just below the opening range and trailed up as it appeared to come back below 52.50, gave it set up in a range and broke down below it. Overall, Friday there were 7 winning triggers and 1 did not trigger at all.